Greetings, everyone. My name is Arkadiusz. I permanently reside in the UK and I work in real estate. I invest, buy, sell houses and rent them out. I am also a musician. In my free time, I play the drums and I would like to learn about trading. I want to learn something at the camp. How long have you been in the market and how did it happen? I have been learning trading since October. You could say I started from scratch because what I did before could be called gambling with totally chaotic and disorganized knowledge. I want to start from the beginning, develop good habits, deepen my knowledge, and have my emotions organized so that I don't open operations without sense, but according to the setups. Why did you decide to get into trading? What motivates you? First of all, I would like to discover a new adventure. I would like to meet interesting people and, above all, change something in my life. I want to have a hobby that will allow me to realize my dreams. What did your trading look like before you met Pablo? You can't call it trading. As I said before, it was gambling. I met people who had no idea about trading. They said they knew something, but in practice, it turned out that they had no setups, didn't want to share knowledge, and couldn't convey it. The lack of mentoring caused me not to work with them anymore. How does your trading look now? And do you see progress in yourself? Now it has changed dramatically, you could say it has grown. All the new setups that I am learning now pay off, if any. They work so well that we have ready-made systems that allow us to exit trades at zero or a small deposit loss. So here we only execute proven setups that work. There's nothing new about it. I'm not reinventing the wheel. How much time do you dedicate to learning each day? I have a problem with time because I trade for a few hours before and after work. But there is such a possibility because the pre-developed systems allow opening trades at certain times that take a few hours, not more. How do you evaluate Pablo's approach to trading? First of all, he teaches calmly. Someone called Pablo a force of calmness. I would say that he is my master because he taught me all about trading from the beginning. What impressed you the most? First of all, the fact that we can create a supergroup of traders that will be unique. We also motivate each other. The people here create a great group that has a lot of potentials and can do a lot in the future. Will you be at the next meeting with us if one takes place? I will be at the next meeting. I will do everything in my power to be there. I think it's a unique place with exceptional people. It's worth coming here. I encourage everyone and would like to thank you for allowing me to come here. I am very happy. Regards.